Yeah. How much do you want?
Savage! You know. Cars
said you know.
Runs and drives. Runs and drives.
Runs and drives when you're cut out the floorboard, you Flintstones it.
This is what the Merc looks like right now. Yeah, it's it ran and drove, you know, earlier. So we're here right now at Classic Auto Body in Gaithersburg, Maryland. These guys are the ones who powder coated the Murcielago wheels that are going on my car. I had the concave, like the Hercules wheels, and although I love them, and probably the last 25 people I've talked to about those wheels are like, you should never get rid of them, I already have gotten rid of them. And the wheels that are going on the car are the original Speedline wheels that came on those cars to begin with. I really like, personally, I grew up seeing that car, like the poster car with the, you know, the alloy, like brushed aluminum wheels, not chrome, not black, just the solid metal color. And I really wanted that on the car. But I saw, granted, I've seen pictures of them, but ooh, those are good. Oh, those are really good. Wow.
Oh wow.
Nice. So you guys, I see, you just opened one of them to see all the ones with the same color, but wow, those are good. Yeah, Mir, what do you think of these, dude?
I'm sorry?
Your boy Mike did a really, really good job on this.
Thank you, really. I mean, it takes really time. It's time consuming, and I've been watching him working for about 7-8 days straight on it, sanding everything down.
Flake in here is just incredible that Mike did. Like, I mean, just the more I look at it from different angles of the light, you see more and more of this flake. I mean, I can't wait to put these on the car. Amir, thank you very much for doing this, you know.
Thank you.
I'm looking forward to getting these on the wheels, and I will bring it by.
Yeah.
So if you guys need any body work done, you're in the Gaithersburg, Maryland, Montgomery County area, these are the people you want to call. End of story. These guys did a phenomenal job with the powder coating, but you guys also do detailing as well.
Yes.
But you got body work, you got detailing, obviously a phenomenal powder coating operation. These are the guys you want to see. So check them out. I'll put their link in the description below, their phone number, everything like that, so you can find them. That's all. I mean, I'm just so happy with the way these look, dude.
Thank you so much.
They look so good.
I'm glad I could do it for you guys. Really, I am, honestly. You know.
It's gonna have the new wheels too.
It's gonna have a DC2 motor.
Oh yes! Everyone on the internet's like, why would you do that? I'm like, yes, it's so early 2000s. It's so perfect. It looks good. It looks really good, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. Oh, they look amazing. Uh-huh. Big shout out to Classic Auto Body for powder coating these. They look amazing. So it runs now.
Ready to tear some up?
Well, no, I don't think that's a good idea.
No.
I don't think so. I'm learning. Slowly but surely learning. Yes. All right, everybody, we are finally here to pick up my Murcielago. So for those who don't remember, my car broke in a pretty dramatic fashion, and it was a very quick introduction to Murcielago.
It was.
The car, for those who weren't keeping track of dates, it was on the road for a total of exactly 14 days. No, you didn't. Well, it had to be you. Could you explain like what happened with it again?
So basically it stuck itself. Third gear didn't fully engage, which doesn't make sense. It should never do that. barring some circumstances. And when we pulled it apart, what we found was the bleeder screws on the back of the actuator weren't fully tight. And if they're not fully tight, it's an internal pressure loss, and the actuator's not doing what it's supposed to do. So far, it's running well. We put like 30 miles on it, and running good. We'll see if you can't give it the Jimbo test.
Yes, if I'm not able to break it, that's a good thing. If it doesn't break while I'm driving,
That's kind of what they say, is here, go drive this, you're good at breaking stuff.
yeah. Oh yeah, I replaced the door struts. 7 in the morning, I Ubered them to Greg. Thanks again for that. Now they do this. It'll only do that for a few months though, more than likely. But otherwise I gotta do, what is it, this? Like pump it up before you start driving?
As long as it doesn't come down like a guillotine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, now you can drive with it up.
Yeah, now I can drive with it up. Before we were driving with them up and it went like halfway. It looked really dumb. It didn't do that before. It did not do that before at all. Mercy is back. Car's rocking. We got R888s on the back and a set of Michelins on the front, PS2s. So the tires that were on before were Pirellis, and we can switch it up on this car just because we have that rear-wheel drive swap. And it's not going to bother the car if we have different sized, or excuse me, different tread tires in the front and the back. These cars are very sensitive to that. But R888s are great because they hook up, and you don't wheel hop. That's good. I need that. Holy shit, that sounds good. And I can't see anything out of this car.
Finally.
That sounds so much better. It sounds the way it's supposed to.
It's loud.
Oh my goodness. That's actually a really good idea. Call Randy. Get him on FaceTime.
It is. Okay.
So we might have just found another purchase for Randy.
It's a Hanger Queen. It's got 800 original kilometers.
Oh my God.
It won't be soon.
This is a
Daily?
This is a Maserati MC12. How many of these were made? There's not many, right?
On paper, 50. Supposedly 52 are actually in existence, as 2 went to the prints. There's rumored 6 to 9 here in the U.S., and I think 12 of them were purebred race cars, never homologated to the road. Has he been talking about wanting something like
Well,
this?
here's the thing with Randy. Randy, because he hasn't had anything to do, he's been spending his days on Bring a Trailer.
That's terrible.
Almost every day for the last 5 days, he's bought a car.
See, and he told me he wasn't buying anything more right now.
He every day it's been, I bought another car.
What's
Told me that too.
So he bought a Subaru. He bought a Lancia. He bought, what else did he buy? Even when
The same.
I went to Quail, Monterey Car Week, stuff like that, there were a lot of cool cars, but I never saw anything like this. It's just,
Oh, it does. Jimbo, get the mono wiper.
it does have a mono wiper. That's important. That's a good spot, Rivers. It does have a mono wiper, so therefore this could become one of the vehicles in our fleet. This is one of those cars that same era as if you got a calendar from like the early 2000s of supercars, there would be a 360 in there, there'd be a Murcielago in there, and then there'd be one of these.
What about? Oh, you'll never believe what I'm standing in front of.
The exhaust.
No, not the exhaust. That shit's gone.
What do you say in front of?
Here, I need to back up so you can kind of see it.
What?
Yeah, I know. Randy won't pick up his phone actually. You gotta keep calling him to pick up so we can get him to buy this.
It's for sale.
We can get,
What?
It's for sale. It's at Loco.
Oh my god.
the economy's in the toilet now because of Corona. We can get a good deal.
How much?
Greg?
The asking was $275. We can get it for
That
$2.
car is a better car than an Enzo.
And it's got the same interior color as my GT. Like that matters at all. Here, let me get the rear.
That's cool, right? I've never seen one of these in person, actually. It's incredible.
That's like one of my favorite cars of all time.
Dude, it's
Manual swap.
huge. Manual swap, he said.
Manual swap. Well, yeah, that's...
Manual swap a 1 in 50 car in the world.
Yeah, because that'll go over well.
There's one guy that manual swapped an Enzo in the world. So there's one manual Enzo somewhere.
Is that true?
Really?
Yep.
Jeez.
Yep. So it's doable. But that would be insane addition to the channel. Like, I mean, not even just the channel. Like, they're just like one of the best cars in the world.
Yeah. Because what? Yeah.
I mean, it's rare. It's the same chassis, same everything as an Enzo, just better body. And
I'd say a lot bigger too, I think.
well, the body is completely different. I'm not sure in the dimensions, but like I know it's the same engine, same transmission, same everything, suspension. But it's a much sexier car, and like they made a lot less of those than they did the Enzos.
Now we just need to get Randy to take back what he said about never buying any Maserati ever again.
Well, that's not a Maserati.
Yeah, that's true.
That thing is just a whole different level. That's insane.
This would take care of that hypercar thing, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. You will never believe what we're standing behind right now.
Well, I can tell you're in Loudoun County exotics, but give me an idea of what you're talking about here.
What was the one car that you said we would never buy again because there are 2 broken ones on the channel?
That's a Maserati. Yeah, that's not a Maserati. That's a Ferrari. Yeah, MC12, bro. That thing's wicked.
And it's for sale too.
How much do you want?
Oh, you said
He
20,
said,
20 or 270.
275.
So 275,000, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
That's beautiful.
This thing is.
Whose car is it?
It's someone local around here. I don't know who.
Someone local, according to Greg. But it's stunning, man. It really is.
It's got the same.
Yeah, make sure you get a lot of B-roll of that thing.
Yeah, it's got the same interior color as my GT.
Yeah, the blue. Yeah, 'cause it's straight out like blue.
This thing is insane. It's the first one I've ever seen.
It's very nice.
So either way, comment below. See if we can get Randy to get that MC12. I think that's should get that. Never seen one in person. It's cool to see. But either way, thank you guys for watching. We'll pick up a little bit later with this car and see what happens.
Bumblebee that's just hovering around in the dark.
That's the closest thing I have to my motorcycle.
Why don't you get right beside him?
Let's take the doors off the Mazda. I've been wanting to do that for years.
This is the most open air experience I've had since my motorcycle. But I'm gonna put the
In front, in front.
You should probably find gas because I have a little bit less than half a tank, which means I'm probably going to run out.
Mom, get the camera.
It really hurt my ears.